Hey all, here's a quick video of the hatcher incubator if you want to make it. Anyway, I use this for a hatcher. All I've done here, I've put a humidifier on there. As you can see, it's putting out some mist there, and I've got a fan going there. And up the top is a light globe, and I've got 4 trays. I'm going to use that bottom one there as well to put the trays in, and they're all linked up with Inkbird humidifier controller there, which I haven't set yet because I'm not doing anything with them till another couple of weeks. And this is the Inkbird heat controller. That's the other hatcher there that I use, but not at the moment. Won't be for a while yet, but anyway. I just use the 2 Inkbird ones there to control the light going on and off, with the thermostat set at 37.5, and humidifier here will control whatever you want to set it on at. I set it on at around 88% humidity. I found that a lot easier than just having trays of water in there. Now this old fridge, or actually a freezer I converted, I can hatch around, I think it's around 250, 300 eggs at a time. Or hatch that many chickens anyway. And that's all it was, and that's $5. There was $5 for the fridge. And to buy those couple of bits was around maybe $200, $300 all up. A lot cheaper than buying a hatcher on its own, where they want, you know, the amount I do, they want something like $2,000, whatever. And that's the controller there, the can't think what that thing there anyway. That controller there cuts in and out for the humidity that goes in this fridge here when it's all up to speed, and this will all turn off and then it'll cut back in when needed. So that's a quick update on what I'm doing. Next week I'll post a video on the Maru 1000 incubator I'm using that holds 576 eggs. So that'll be starting up next Sunday. So get back to you then. Thanks for watching.